Hey there, and welcome to Cyber Simplified, where we break down security stuff without all that technical jargon. So let's get started. For years, everybody told you the same thing. Use a weird mix of letters, numbers, a symbol, change it every 60, 90, 120 days, right? Now, half of that advice is starting to become outdated, and some of it actually made things worse. I'll tell on myself for a second. Years ago, before I knew any better, and we'll say this was a long time ago, my go-to password was basically the same thing with a number at the end that I bumped up every time I had to change it. One became two, then three, then four, and so on. I thought I was being clever. Turns out I was doing exactly what attackers count on today. Here's the actual problem with complexity first thinking. A cracking tool blows through an 8 character complex password in maybe hours, maybe days. But just add 4 or 5 more characters, and that same tool could take years because length creates an exponentially more combinations for that password. Complexity barely moves the needle by comparison, so longer is better. A sentence, a phrase, 3 random words strung together. The real answer is links because that's more secure than password 123 will ever be. And that change it every 90 days rule, well, turns out mostly just made up by people picking weaker passwords because coming up with completely fresh passwords every 3 months or 4 months, well, it can be exhausting to a non IT person. Most current guidance has backed way off that rule in favor of long, unique passwords that only get changed if there's an actual reason, like a breach or some suspicious activity. Which brings us to unique. Using the same password everywhere is a single point of failure. One breach at any site, like your bank, the cell phone, water bill, and every account you own, well, it's compromised. This is where a password manager might come in. One strong master password in your head, and the manager generates and stores random strings for everything else. You don't have to remember those, and it just fills them in automatically. And that's the whole point. You don't have to remember them. You're not writing them down. It's in a manager. So right now today, go check your email address on haveibeenpwned.com. It's free, it's legit, and it's okay. And it'll tell you exactly which breaches your email has shown up in. And if it's there, well, that password and that account might be done everywhere you've used it. So I would start there. Long overcomplicated, unique everywhere, password managers. That's the whole thing. No special skills required, just 3 habits done right consistently. So if that helped out, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe. We got new videos coming out just about every week. And don't forget, bigger is better.